Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and taking the first contact step now. Identify one clear goal for the relationship and one change you will own. This reduces defensiveness. Once you know triggers, craft a brief opening, a calm sentence that acknowledges feelings and requests a small next step. Use the channel you know she tolerates, call, note, or face-to-face, and set a specific time. Make sure to keep tone neutral and the ask simple so you can build momentum. Once contact is established, focus on deep repair through active listening and consistent behaviors. You practice reflecting what she says, which lowers conflict and shows you understand. Then state your perspective without blaming. Establish one or two firm boundaries and explain practical consequences so expectations are clear. Make small, scheduled check-ins one of your tools. Short, predictable conversations build trust. If emotions spike, pause the conversation and agree to revisit it. Return with curiosity, not with rebuttals. To close and consolidate gains, summarize progress and express appreciation for any effort she made. This reinforces positive cycles. You should end meetings with a concrete plan, next check-in, agreed topics, and a small shared activity to keep connection. If things derail, pause and own any mistakes quickly, then propose a short reset rather than escalating. When blocked repeatedly, suggest neutral help, therapy or mediation for 1 to 3 sessions, to break entrenched patterns and provide tools for ongoing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.